Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be diving into some new colors from Kozmik Nails, but before we get into that, we're going to start off with a little bit of color blocking. I'm going to use that 3M medical tape, just line it up exactly where I want that first color to transition on the nail, and then to make sure that tape is laying super flat, I always like to go in with a silicone tool just to make sure I'm getting that tape to lay completely flat. So we're starting off today with Peony Pearl, which is like the perfect floral pink with the perfect pearl finish there. So we are doing a set of press-ons. We also are doing the gel method. I'm just doing a very thin layer of gel base on the nail. I am not curing, and then I dip into the cupcake liner and check out that first dip. Oh, that color right there. It is beautiful. It is a very delicate color with that first coat. It's a very buildable color, so you could easily get away with one coat if you're not looking to build up structure and you want like that really just beautiful shimmery pearl pink. One coat is really pretty, but we're going to build it up today by doing two. So that's what we're going to be working with. So these new colors are from Kozmik Nails. They're part of a new collection called Spring Fever, which the name is perfect for this collection. The colors in there are amazing. There's really fun glitters. We're going to be playing with one of the fun glitters as well. But the collection is amazing. The name itself is fun. Spring Fever, I definitely am feeling that here in Wisconsin. It's been cold and snowy. I am so ready for spring, especially I have little boys. I have a 1-year-old boy and a 2-year-old boy. They're 11 months apart, so we are ready to get back outside. All right, now that we did the first dip, we're gonna go in with a second. So I'm gonna do a very thin, even layer of gel base on the nail, and we're gonna continue dipping into this beautiful powder. I will say one coat, if you are looking for like a more like sheer coverage, one dip of this powder kind of gives it like a rose quartz effect. But the second dip is everything. It is just so beautiful. It's a very just like beautiful, elegant pink. I love it. If you love like pink colors, this color right here is gonna be for you. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these beautiful powders, and then I'm gonna pop back in just a little bit.
Trees are in green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. No, I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. No, all of my problems. No. Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. No, I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. No, all of my problems. No. Maybe I need a break. Maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about
All right, now that we're done dipping, I'm going to show you how to file and buff chunky glitter with the gel method without cutting into those beautiful glitters. So what you're going to do is before you file and buff, you're going to do a layer of gel base on the nail. Make sure you're getting that gel base into all the nooks and crannies. Cure for 30 seconds, and then you're going to follow up with a layer of gel top coat and then cure for a full 60 seconds. That is going to be our layer of protection when we are filing and buffing, because if you are doing the gel method, in order to file and buff on top of those glitters, you cannot use your regular clear dip powder. You have to use a layer of gel base and gel top coat, and make sure it is fully cured before you go ahead and file and buff. And now I'm just filing and buffing like I normally would, and this is really going to protect those glitters from getting cut into from filing and buffing. I will say these glitters are so pretty and so fun to work with. I really like the color combination of just like those spring colors, and I really like the dimension of those little square kind of shape glitters. So right now I am removing that nail completely off that stand so I can just make sure I'm getting that file directly underneath that nail. When it comes to filing and buffing, just feel free. You can always remove that nail off the stand. Whatever you need to do to get your filing and buffing done, that's the rule of thumb, whatever works best for you. I just like to make sure I'm getting directly underneath that nail, so then I have a really clean application from the press on to when the press on meets the natural nail. So filing and buffing, that is all I did to clear encapsulate that, a layer of gel base cure and a layer of gel top coat cure, and then file and buff, and voila, you have the perfect encapsulated nail. And now we filed it completely. All right, so I did the rest of the filing and buffing off camera, and then to seal in this mani, I used my favorite gel top coat. This is one of my favorite top coats from Kozmik Nails. It's a 2-in-1. It's an anti-chip formula. So I did the top coat off camera, and then here's the finished mani. I love this color palette. It's a very soft, springy color palette, and I'm living for it right now. The colors are everything. That glitter is so fun. I really like how it has like the matte white glitters, but yet we have like these really fun, colorful like spring squares. Really pretty. And then that beautiful pink pearl that we used here is everything. That Peony Pearl is just like the perfect neutral pink. But overall, I'm totally obsessed with this color palette, and it's definitely getting me into the spring spirit here. So everything that we did use in today's mani can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's simple spring mani, and I'll see you all in the next one.